Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey everybody, it's Leah from Creative at Home. And today, since I haven't been back for a while, I'm doing a super cool video, and I'm going to be doing a spin the wheel video with my very best friend who also does aerial hammock stuff, Cameryn. Hi, Cameryn.
Hi.
I haven't seen you for a while. We literally just video called for like 2 hours right before this.
Oh yeah, long time no see.
Okay, so I've got my wheel app up, and I've got 5 drops for you and 5 drops for me. So you just want to get started? Oh, there's packing tape stuck to my hand. Okay. That's weird. Okay, so you just want to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, spinning the wheel now. And the drop is double front dive. That's you, Cameryn.
Oh no.
So you're just going to
Okay.
kind of explain how you're doing it and also do it. All right. Double front dive, all you.
Okay, so you go into straddle hang, and then crochet the legs into straddle, and then pull up into standing straddle. I need to turn. And then S wrap. And then I put the silks behind my head and like walk myself to the back. And then to drop, you literally just gotta let go.
Oh, gosh. Give it up to Cameryn, everybody. Give me some clapping emojis in the live chat. Woohoo! Okay, so let's spin the wheel and hold on. Disable option for double dive drop.
Wouldn't want that happening again.
Okay. What's it gonna be? Double cartwheel drop. One of my favorite drops. Okay.
That's you.
Fix my angle. So this one's a little bit more advanced for all you advanced aerialists out there. So I'm gonna start. Hold on. Just get into position. Okay. So we're going to be starting in standard straddle position. Holding onto one side, we're going to go the hip key and then bringing our left leg through the straps. So we can kind of be in this position. And then to get into the actual cartwheel position, we're going to go to hip key and bring this loose strap and put our arms through the straps and then drop. You just gotta kind of go for it like this. There was some clapping emojis in the live chat.
Yep.
Okay. So that one again is advanced. So let's see what the next drop is. What's it gonna be? Turtle dove drop. That one is me. Disable option. Okay, so we're gonna start, and we're like straddle, and just kind of like this. And this one you can only do on the low aerial hammock. You can't really do it on a knotted silk or a regular aerial hammock. So holding here, we're sideways. We're going to push up. We're gonna actually roll up. It's weird. Grab this, and we're kind of like this. And then to do the drop, just let go and roll down. That was turtle dove drop. Not too hard or anything, but hopefully Cameryn will get this next drop. So spinning right now. It's a Cameryn one. 360. I don't know if you can see that, but 360. All right.
Okay,
That's
so
all you, Cameryn.
all you gotta do, this one's pretty easy. All you have to do is standard straddle position, and then you want to pull up some, but not like all the way. I've got to do double because I don't want to hit my head. And then all you gotta do is go forward.
Woo! Give us some gymnastics emojis and some clapping emojis in the live chat. And tell us what you think of that 360. Okay, so while Cameron's on twisting, table option, twist the wheel, in the wheel, slack drop, boom. That's the Cameryn one. And actually, I just learned how to do the slack drop yesterday, so I'm gonna do it with her. Is that okay, Cameryn?
Yep.
Okay, so you can kind of do the tutorial. I'll just kind of go along with you.
Wait. So first, you just stand normally, very basic, and then you have to hold yourself up, which is very hard. You have
It's
to,
easier on the low aerial hammock. You can kind of
yeah.
hold yourself. Oh,
I'm gonna. So you gotta hook your leg around so that you're almost like in a straddle, but you're just sitting there. And then when you're ready, you just drop.
woo! That was a fun one. Give us some down emojis and some clapping emojis in the live chat if you like that slack drop. Okie dokie. Disable option and spinning once again. What's it gonna be? Star drop. Okie dokers. So this one's me. So we're going to start in the same position we did for turtle dove. Let me fix my camera. One leg straddle. And we're rolling up like we did. And then we're going to split the fabric and go into straddle. It's going to be a little bit tight on your stomach, but that's how it's going to be. Just remember to suck your breath in so not completely stinging your stomach. And then now that we're here, we can kind of hang in this position. And then to drop, back fall, and then kind of drop. It isn't a real star drop, but it's as close as it can get on the aerial hammock. So if you like that star drop, give us some star emojis and clapping emojis in the live chat. Woo, I'm out of breath. We only have two drops left, and they're both. No, they're one for me and one for Cameryn. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, we have 3. Be quiet. Fallen angel drop. That's you.
Ooh,
Cameryn.
yeah. So first, you just gotta go into standing straddle, and then you gotta do standard straddle position, and then you wanna lean forward so that you it comes up closer and tighter so that it's more comfortable, and then you just gotta let go.
All right, everybody. If you liked that drop, again, give us an angel emoji. I don't know if there is. I think there is. Give us an angel emoji, a down emoji, or a clapping emoji if you like that fallen angel drop. Okay, now there's
2 left.
2 left, I think. Okay. Spinning the wheel. Do, 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 do. I'm going to turn it down so it's not as loud. Metronome drop. I think this is the last one for Cameron.
Yeah, probably. So first you have to do an S wrap, and then you want to do S wrap with the opposite leg, and then S wrap with opposite leg, and then all you have to do to drop is unhook, and then unhook the other leg.
Woohoo! I don't know if you can see it, but I put a little celebration emoji in my
Yep.
corner.
Wait, do I have
Oh,
reactions? There, I have reactions too.
Let me get the little party. Wah, 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 wah. Okay.
Celebration
so
dance.
give us a space emoji. I don't know. Space emoji? Okay, I'm going to look
There
that
might
up.
be like a.
Oh, there is. There's a lot of them, actually. Okay, give us any space emoji you can find in the live chat or some clapping emojis, because that was amazing. Okay, now I got to go back to the wheel. Okay, last drop. Last drop. Give us a last emoji.
Give it.
I don't even know what emojis there are.
Maybe you could go to the emoji, the very last one in the whole category.
Very last emoji in the whole category. What? I thought I disabled that. Well, it said fallen angel drop. So that's kind
Which we already know.
blah, 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 blah. Going to be, forget what the last one was. Bullet drop. Woo!
Ooh.
Okay, so give me a rocket emoji for this one.
Well,
You like
I'm
it?
pretty sure there's like those big like
Yeah.
things that go like
bullets? I don't
like
know.
they're like gun emoji.
Sure, gun emoji. Okay, so we're going to start standing, and then I like going to the box position so I can get as high as possible, or you can climb it. You know what? I'm gonna climb it just to kind of get the full effect. Okay, so we're climbing. Can't really see the top, but oh, jeez. Oh no! Okay. Splitting the silk. Standard straddle. And then do that. And then we'll single leg wrap. I missed the silk. Okay, I'm just gonna do that again. That was a fail. Give me a thumbs down emoji in the live chat, 'cause that was a total fail. Yeah, I haven't done it climbing before, so let's just do it from box stand. And woo! Yay! Now, reactions party emoji. Woo woo!
I need to pull up my
Pretty
reactions.
Crazy drops, because you know the emoji. They're also good, and they're also crazy. I'm on a roll here.
And here's how to do a spin. Leah, do it with
Yeah,
me.
let's
Do
do
it
some spins. Let's do some spins. So you're gonna put your arms through.
around.
This is kind of like a bonus spins. And then
The faster you do it, the easier it is.
go.
Oh my gosh, yes!
I'm so dizzy now. That was a fail.
What did we do?
Laughing
Okay,
emojis.
everybody, give us
Crying,
some,
laughing emojis.
give us some around emojis, because me and Cameron are gonna do a challenge I just came up with, where we spin as fast as we can, and then we try to walk in a straight line. All right.
I'm in a cocoon. Yup.
Ready? Spin.
No, I'm not ready. All right, let's just spin and see what happens.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my
straight line. Straight line. Straight line.
In a
I'm pretty
straight
good.
line emoji if we're gonna be able to walk. Okay.
And perfect.
Okay. Ready? Walk in a straight line. Oh,
Nice.
I
Now,
almost
here's the
did. I was
pose.
like walking in a straight line, then I kind of like.
Owie. Wait, let's do a cool pose. So put one leg on the silk and then cross it. Kind of and like rotate your hip so it's facing the ground. And then hold on.
Oh,
And lean.
that's
It looks
fun, but
so
it's
cool.
very painful. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this premiere. It was so much fun to be with you. Thanks, Cameryn. Everybody said thanks.
Welcome.
Cameryn. All right, so that's all I have for this week, and I will see you guys on Monday for a short. Clapping emojis. All right, I will see you guys later.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what